Welcome back, and today I have a video in which I'm going to be showing you how to make a when stop clicked. This stop has been very useful, but there is no button called when stop clicked. Sorry, let me just enlarge a little bit. There's a when flag click, but there's no when stop clicked. Just delete. Okay, so what you will need to make this when stop click is go in the sensing and this timer. It's a already made variable by Scratch. Second of all, you'll need a new variable. Uh, what's it called? Timer 2? Timer 2, I'll say. So we have two timers. Hide dialog. Now we'll need a when flag clicked forever loop. Oh, before that, we are gonna set timer 2 to 0.1. Not 0, but 0.1. And even reset the timer. First set this dead reset. After that, we are gonna set a timer 2 to. There will be an operator called plus. Go in our sensing, our already made variable by Scratch, plus 0.1. That should work. Okay, now I'll show you how does the concept work. You can see both of them are kinda equal, but they're 0.1 second fast. The timer 2. But if I stop it, this is 7.59 and this is already higher than that. Cause the timer variable that was by Scratch doesn't stop and the variable we make stops. So now what can we do? Just delete that. So let's just get a sprite. Supposedly the cat. Where's my favorite cat? Yeah, the cat. Okay, this is a cat. So let's just say we want to hide it in the start. And now to make your program faster, Scratch has something like this. When loudness is greater than 10, when timer is greater than our variable timer 2, then it is supposed to show. Alright, wait, what? Alright, now this is when I've clicked the flag. When I stop the flag, wait, what? When I stop the not stopping! Alright. Okay, just that's a small minor problem because this is something like a when sprite click. Just when you do that, then the code activates. So that's simple. It's like hidden. Where's the cat? And but if I press the stop, the cat shows. So that was one of the basic methods on how you can make yourself a when stop clicked when the stop button is clicked. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Um, so yeah, that was today's tutorial, and it was a very simple, very easy tutorial. So bye bye.